today we're going to be on her chest, so we'll let her talk.
No, we're gonna let the guests talk today. So guests, why don't you talk? Youngest always gets to talk first. Alright, so her younger brother's gonna come in and talk. Ty, come here. Come here. I'll tell you what to say. Come here. And the whole thing.
And action!
They are doing a slime cloud and see whose is better.
So go for the small one or the big one.
Mine is really stretchy and pokey. And hers is really small, really stretchy, and really pokey.
Really, really bulky.
So, we want you to judge.
First, we do the poke test. You go first. And I poke.
Maya won that round.
My, the viewers decide.
Now, we're letting Ty pick. Right, so Ty, you get in the middle of us right here. Now, we're going to redo the poke test because he wasn't here first. Alright, let's go. So, I'm going to go first, and he's going to judge. Now, it's Emily. Who do you think won that round? I won that round.
Mine was that.
Alright, now we're doing for the stretch test.
And then the slime up the test.
How stretchy can your slime get? Alright, so
Alright, so like this stretch or this stretch?
we're going to see how tall it can stretch. So it's whatever way you want to do it. So let's go. This is really stretchy.
Mine is broke.
You guys can't see mine, but mine is stretchier. And it's a lot heavier, so it's harder to stretch.
That wasn't fair.
We're filming a YouTube video here. Alright, so Ty, you choose. Who won? Me or your sister?
I gave you slime, guys.
Alright. So she gets to pick the next thing that we have to do.
Slime bubble. And you're not allowed to use mouth. You gotta like. Oh my god.
You gotta like. Alright, so you gotta like pull it and
Pull it like you can't like use your mouth and you can't use a straw or anything. You ain't know how to do that. You
you're
have
going first. So make your bubble.
to-
Mine's like really stretchy.
He doesn't have the stomach, just like his father.
Alright, make a bubble for Christ's sakes. No, these bubbles don't
No,
count.
we just do it at the same time and like whoever makes the bubble first.
Alright.
Okay, we're done. Ready, set. I never said go.
Yay!
Okay, ready, set, go.
Yeah!
That don't count.
Yes, it
Made
does.
one. You never made one.
Yes,
I
I
can't make one.
did. That counts.
Ty, who won that round?
Me or your sister? Like, who blew the bubble first?
No,
The judge has
let
to
me
think
do
about
it.
that one.
Let me
So
do it.
while he's doing it,
We'll just
let's
make a
blow
bubble.
some more bubbles.
Okay, that one.
He's
Done.
back.
You got your thought?
Yep.
Who? Yes! That's
3 to
it.
0.
3 to 0.
Okay, now the filmer gets to pick.
Alright, so the filmer behind the camera, which is my friend, gets to pick our next subject. So what do you think we should do?
Filmer guys are talking. Even though our judge is only 6.
Oh, he's your brother and that's the only judge we get.
Maybe 7 on the 24. Whoever can make the
The big-
giantest bubble ever.
Alright,
Scientist.
the biggest.
That's Maya, definitely.
I
Alright.
know, it's unfair because she has no one.
Oh!
And then
Let me
count.
think.
Let me think.
That counts.
She has more slime than me, so it doesn't count.
You can actually make a big bubble with a little amount of slime. I did it before.
Can I use a straw?
No. No straws allowed.
Look at all that slime.
I got my thought.
Okay.
Here,
That's how big her batch is.
would you like me to
And
make
that's how big her batch is.
We're gonna make her a bubble. Stop. Wasn't that hard?
Yeah, but you didn't make the whole thing. So hot. I got my thought in my head.
Alright, who do you think won, Judge? Biggest bubble.
Okay.
Alright, well he's thinking we're gonna make some more
Look
bubbles.
how much slime she has compared to her. And also, comment down below who has more slime.
Comment.
That's our thought.
And subscribe down below.
And hit that like button.
Who won? 4 in a row to nothing. Alright, let's try to make
And
an
make
even.
sure to check out our separate channel.
Alright, so
Mostly hers.
let's try to make the judge pick what we have to do next.
Judge, what do you want them to do next?
Make the biggest. It can't be bubble. We done did that.
We can do another biggest bubble.
I will show you guys.
We don't know what the word is, guys. But
And that's
anyway,
okay.
I guess you did. Hey. That.
Oh, I know what the next one should be for me to tell you guys.
Can we let our Cameron woman pick, Ty? Oh, we have to make an object with our slime?
You're walking slime. Like, you're walking the camera. Okay, you're walking the camera.
Ty, can I pick?
Alright, so our camera person is going to
You can't move it from the camera.
Whoever can make the thickest snowball.
Of course Maya's gonna win, Sydney. You're going to just picking stuff for Maya to win.
I said thickest.
pick. There, my snowball won't really stay, but
And just happens to be a snowball.
our slime won't stay together. Mine's actually white.
Good mine.
Alright, there's my snowball, guys.
Giant pancake.
Mine's pretty big, but
Mine's actually a ball.
See how pretty white that is?
so let me retry to make this snowball again. It didn't work out the first time, but let's go.
Exactly that. They're just taking stuff from Maya to win.
You can make the world's thickest snowball. You just gotta add lots of detergent and lots of water. Alright, let's pick a different subject.
Hey, I pick.
How about the flattest pancake? Actually, you could win at that.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Pancake.
I can pop the. Alright, so my pancake's gonna be pretty thick because I can't spread it around the whole table. Be better if we move to the floor for the flattest pancake. Would you like to do that? Oh, because mine's big doesn't mean I can make the flattest pancake. Alright, so we're deciding to what?
Do the flattest pancake.
The flattest pancake challenge, and I'm going to move to the floor for this because I got to jump
No,
that.
over there. Unfair.
Why?
Use the table.
Uh-oh. That didn't stick to no part of my body, guys.
Bad guys.
I promise. So this time our judge is going to pick one because I'm tired of hearing people whine because I won so many points.
Where's my pancake?
That's not allowed.
You never seen how to make it.
Alright, so let's start by closing up the YouTube channel video. So, bye. No, you subscribe, like, comment, and make sure you actually leave a comment.